You can learn Italian so fast just by changing this one setting on your phone, and I guarantee you do not have it turned on. I'm Maria. I learned Italian from scratch as a native New Yorker, and believe me, it was no easy task. So I set out to find every little tip and trick I could to help me learn Italian so I could talk to my family over in Calabria, Italy. The one setting: turn your phone into Italian. If you turn your phone's language into Italian and you use your phone every single day, it's a no-brainer. You'll be picking up the language just like that. We're on our phones all the time, and the same goes for the computer. So might as well make that screen time work towards your language goals. You'll be so surprised at how quickly you pick up the language and everyday vocabulary without even trying. I have a student named Joe who turned his phone language from English into Italian, and now he gets the news in Italian and sees it every single day. It's the sense of immersing yourself in Italian without actually having to go to Italy. And the best part is that if you ever feel overwhelmed or like it's too much, you could just change the setting right back to English. So here's how to change your phone's language into Italian. So if you have an iPhone, go to the Settings, General, and Language and Region. Then tap Add Language and select Italian or Italiano. And then just confirm by selecting Use Italian. If you have an Android, go to the Settings, the System, and Languages and Input. Tap Languages, add a language, and select Italiano. And then drag Italiano or Italian to the top of the language list. Now that your phone is officially in Italian, you'll be seeing new Italian words pop up every single day. But if you're worried about how to actually pronounce these words aloud, I have a totally free pronunciation guide for English to Italian. The link is in the description. If you feel like you don't want to totally commit and turn your phone into Italian, so everything is in Italian, we can start by just downloading any given app or even an Italian news app like Rai News, RAI News, and just turning that app's language into Italian. This way you can start small and work your way up towards the Italian language. If you liked this super quick Italian language learning tip, then you'll love this one Italian pronunciation trick that will totally change your Italian and make you look like a native. A presto. Ciao!